Hey everyone, welcome back to Christmas Baking with Deepali. So this video is for those who don't have time to make lengthy recipes this Christmas. And my air fry peanut butter cookies are such a hit that I could not stop myself from sharing the recipe with you all. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So to start with, in a bowl, add butter. Now you can take salted or unsalted, whatever is available with you, along with peanut butter and sugar. I'm using caster sugar here, but you can also use light brown sugar. So just mix this with a spatula first, and then I'm going to whisk this until it is light and fluffy. Now you can also use your stand mixer. Once the butter mixture is light and fluffy, we are going to add milk and vanilla extract and beat it again until everything is well combined. Now is the time to add flour along with the baking soda. And if you are using unsalted butter, then also add a pinch of salt. I'm using salted butter, so I'm not adding any salt here. Now mix this until just combine. Do not overmix. And once combined, make small balls out of this dough. This will give you around 13 to 14 balls of approximately 16 to 18 grams each. So now I'm keeping these balls on a parchment paper, which I have cut according to my air fryer's basket size. Do leave a space in between each for the cookies to spread. So now these will be baked in 2 batches. Okay. Now using a fork, press a crisscross pattern onto each ball of dough. This makes our cookies look beautiful. Now let's place the basket into the air fryer, and now I'm going to bake this at 150 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. So see, my Balzano air fryer has an extra large basket with a capacity of 5.5 liter. So I can prepare dishes in large batches and can also bake a cake in this, maybe round, square or loaf cakes. And the best part is the basket is easy to clean and it is also dishwasher safe. Another quality that I like about my Balzano air fryer is that it's 360 degrees of rapid heat circulation, which heats the food from all sides, making the process faster, and of course this saves my time also. So the timer is up and our cookies must have been baked. Let's see. See, I told you its heat circulation is so even that all the cookies are baked in similar color. See, all the cookies are golden brown. So I'm going to keep this in the air fryer for some time and I'll take them out once they are firm. So see how beautiful our cookies are, and who will say that I have baked these in an air fryer and not in an oven. So these cookies are so good, soft in the center, crispy on the outside, and the best part is they are done in less than 20 minutes. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, do try it and let me know if you have any questions regarding the recipe in the comment section below. So until we meet again, take good care of yourself and Merry Christmas.